friends, this is Swati and welcome back to my channel Swati, a girl from MP. So आज हम आ गए हैं all the way from Mumbai to the queen of hill city, Darjeeling. And at Darjeeling, we're staying in this beautiful resort called Sterling Resort, Darjeeling. So come along with me. I'll give you the hotel tour. So this is the lobby area. And this way there is a small shop also for winter clothes. अगर आप वहाँ से मुंबई से आ रहे हैं, दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं, अगर आपको लगता है यहाँ पे इतनी ठंड नहीं है और आप भूल गए हैं, तो यहाँ से भी आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. They have given good jackets, muffler, caps option at a very reasonable rate. So this is the small bonfire area they have provided. तो आप रात को यहाँ पे म्यूजिक चला सकते हैं, आग जला के मस्त एंजॉय कर सकते हैं bonfire को. And this is the beautiful hotel. And this way is the Kanchenjunga viewpoint. Come. So the best thing about this hotel is it's like 7,400 feet above the ground level. So इसके टॉप से आपको बहुत ही अच्छा complete mountain view दिखता है. अभी right now it's quite foggy, the weather is quite gloomy in the morning. So आपको अभी यहाँ पे mountain view नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but मैं आपको pictures में दिखाऊंगी करके. Like if the weather is clear, if it is not foggy, you get a very nice view of the mountain, and especially you get a very nice view of the Kanchenjunga mountain, which is the second highest mountain peak after Mount Everest. So I'll show you in the picture how beautiful the mountain looks from here, and this is the best thing about this resort. Come. Okay, so now we are going towards the children play area. They have a beautiful children play area. So this is the children play area. If you also have a kid like me, then this is the best resort for you, because your kid can enjoy in this beautiful children play area and you can just relax and chill and have your cup of tea or coffee. Okay, so now we have come to the kids indoor play area. Come, I'll show you what all we have over here to play. So here they have provided the table tennis table and the indoor board games, like you have chess, you have Ludo, you have Carom over here. So it's a small indoor kids play area. Yes, you want to play? Yeah, go. So this is the buffet menu. They have veg, non-veg buffet. Veg herbal soup. And these are the salads. This is cocktail kebab with gobi matar. पनीर बटर मसाला, दाल मखनी, and they have the cabinet pudding. This is something different. And this is a cake. This is dum aloo kashmiri, semia kheer, veg Manchurian, chili garlic noodles, jeera rice, steamed rice, and this is the non-veg.
And now it's time for the room tour.
So come along with me. I'll show you my room. So this is basically a premium category room. So यहाँ पे एडवांटेज ये है कि इन्होंने 2 रूम प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं. So this is the dining area. यहाँ पे सोफा कम बेड है. And this is the dining table. And there is one TV provided over here. And the best thing about the room is the view. So ये जो बाहर का डाइनिंग एरिया है, यहाँ से कंप्लीट जो कंचनजंगा माउंटेन है उसका व्यू दिखता है. एंड बेसिकली वी आर स्टेइंग हियर फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 days. तो जो क्लाइमेट था वो बहुत ही फॉगी था, बट आज का जो क्लाइमेट है वो है सनी क्लाइमेट, इसलिए हमें इसका कंप्लीट क्लियर स्काई दिख रहा है, कंप्लीट क्लियर व्यू दिख रहा है माउंटेन का. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटिफुल व्यू फ्रॉम आवर रूम. कम, आई विल शो यू द बेडरूम नाउ. Yeah, also they have provided with a small kitchen setup. तो अगर आपके साथ बेबी है, so this is the best thing. They do provide the microwave also. There is a fridge inside here. तो आप अपने बेबी के लिए बेबी फूड वगैरह कुक कर सकते हैं इजीली यहाँ पे. I'll show you the bedroom now. And this is our bedroom. So they have provided one more TV over here in the bedroom. And the best thing is the balcony. This is the best thing about this resort. It's like it's quite above the ground level. So you get a beautiful view of the mountains. You can have your cup of tea and coffee over here in the balcony and enjoy the view of Darjeeling. Yeah, the last thing I'll show you the washroom also. Come. And this is the washroom. And the best thing about the washroom is like they have provided with 2 doors. So आप डाइनिंग से भी ये डोर ओपन कर सकते हैं एंड बेडरूम से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज द शावर एरिया. So that's it. Stay tuned with me, Swati, a girl from MP. Bye bye. Take care.